thunder's right on top of us, isn't it? You get no warning between the lightning and the thunder. I seem to like it. Wait for a bit more thunder. I don't think it'll be long. There we go. And it's right on top of us now because we've got like 1 second
We're at Bush Garden.
between the lightning. Yeah, Bush Garden, yeah.
It was like stonking
10
hot.
minutes ago it was steaming hot.
I was waiting for it to pass. And maybe they'll open the posters and that thing. Hopefully. I'll see it down there. Blowing away.
Oh, here we go.